Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we have Cognizant Gen Z hiring process and we are going to explain you every round here. Like the round 1 is communication assessment. The round 2 is aptitude assessment and technical assessment. The round 3 is technical interview. We are going to explain every round and what you can expect from it. Now let's see about the communication round. You can expect a reading section where you will need to read a paragraph. You should carefully read the given text, and the next thing will be recording process. You should press the record button to start and stop the recording. Please focus on the clarity and accuracy in reading. The second thing you can expect from the communication round is speaking section. You should listen and repeat. You should pay attention to the various accents like British, American, and Polish. And there will be an automatic recording. This starts right after the audio and it will require an immediate repetition. You should use a good quality headphone to focus on each word and avoid hesitation. And the next thing you can expect is topic speaking. You will have a preparation time of 30 seconds to think about the topic and 1 minute to speak. And the strategy you can use here is identify key points and speak slowly and avoid rushing. And the example here is discuss a familiar activity like playing cricket, emphasizing the benefit. Like there will be a question like this where you will have to think for 30 seconds and talk for 1 minute. And the next thing you can expect is grammar section. It will contain a fill in the blank section where you will have to complete the sentences with the appropriate word or articles. And there will be a common phrases where you should recognize and fill in the predictable pattern. What we are giving you as a tip here is you should ensure that the recording starts and stops as required because there will be a record button, so you should ensure the recording start and stop. And please use a quality headphone for a better sound and clarity. Please focus on the main points, like think about the key points during the preparation time and talk it fluently. And the next thing is you should translate quickly. If English is not your mother tongue, translate the content mentally for a better comprehension and it will help you better. This communication test will happen on 31st of May.
To speak for as long as you can. What is your favorite food? Describe the food and explain why it is your favorite food.
Please click Next.
You can refer to this essential communication round, which will be similar to the Cognizant Gen Z communication round 2. Now, let's see the round 2. The round 2 is technical and aptitude assessment. This will happen on 3rd and the 4th of June, and what you can expect from the technical assessment is the section 1 will be coding, which covers the topic as data structures, functions, object oriented programming, file handling, libraries and modules, and exception handling. And the section 2 can be query, that will be from the database or MySQL, and the topics covered will be DDL, DML, DCL, and TCL. And you should understand the constraints and their types, and SQL operators, SQL function, clauses in SQL, joins and their types, subqueries, views and indexes will be also asked. And the section 3 may be knowledge, that is MCQ. The topics covered will be Unix command, shell scripting, data warehouse basics, ETL concept like data warehouse, data mart, and ODS, and also some cloud fundamental. And you can expect a aptitude assessment where it will cover quantitative aptitude, logical reasoning, and verbal ability. Under quantitative aptitude, the topics covered will be LCM and HCF, divisibility, numbers, decimal fraction and power, averages, ratio and proportion, algebra, search and indices, profit and loss, simple and compound interest, inverse, time and work, allegations and mixtures, percentage, area, shape and perimeter, logarithms, permutation and combination, geometry, coordinate geometry, pipes and cisterns, probability, clocks and calendar, and that's it for quantitative aptitude. Now, let's see the topics covered under logical reasoning. Blood relation, directional sense, objective reasoning, selection decision tables, syllogism, analogies, and classification pattern recognition, coding pattern and number system pattern recognition, statement and conclusion, seating arrangement, logical word sequence, data sufficiency, odd man out, data arrangements, mathematical orders, and inferred meaning. That's it for logical reasoning. Now, let's see what are the topics covered under verbal ability. The topics covered under verbal ability is synonyms, antonyms, and error identification, sentence improvement and construction, subject verb agreement, tenses and article, preposition and conjunctions, speech and voices, interferential and literal comprehension, contextual vocabulary, comprehension ordering, sentence selection, selecting words. These are the topics covered under verbal ability. The round 3 will be technical interview. That will happen on 10th of June and we will provide you the preparation materials in the description. And as a conclusion, the first assessment is communication assessment. That happens on 31st of May and it includes testing your reading, grammar, listening, speaking skills. And the second one is technical and aptitude assessment. That will happen on 3rd and the 4th of June and it evaluates your coding, SQL knowledge, technical concept and aptitude skills. The third one is technical interview. That will happen on 10th of June and this assess your overall technical proficiency and problem solving ability. And if you found this video helpful, hit the like button, subscribe and share it to your friends.